Question number 13 wants us to find the surface area of the cylinder. So our formula for this is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times h. If you look at the first part, pi r squared is the area of a circle. So that's going to give us the top. And then if you multiply it by 2, that gives us the bottom of the cylinder as well. And then the 2 pi rh, 2 pi r is the circumference, and then if we multiply that by h, that's going to give us the side of the cylinder. So my surface area for this question is 2 times pi times 6 squared plus 2 times pi times 6 times 8. And again, this first part is giving us the top and the bottom. And then the second part is giving us the side, or the sides. So 2 pi 6 squared plus 2 pi times 6 times 8. And if we round to the nearest tenth, then this is 527.8, and it's square centimeters.